welcome back to my channel. So today we are coloring this 613 wig cinnamon brown, and we're just gonna get right into it. So like always, I do like to start from the hairline of the lace front of the wig, and then we're just gonna make our way around. So now we're just doing the opposite side of the lace fronts of the wig. Again, we're just applying the dye to the hairline. Okay, so now you're going to go ahead and go into applying the dye to the roots of the lace front of the wig as well as in between the hair. Now we're just going to go ahead and apply the dye to the opposite side of the wig.
I think I lied for you.
made our way to the back of the wig. So again, you do want to go ahead and apply the dye to the back of the wig. So even though we applied the dye on the wig and the back of the wig, you do want to make sure you do also get in between the hair as well. So here I'm still working on the back of the wig. I'm just separating the hair just to make sure we do have the dye evenly in between the back of the wig. After applying the dye on the wig and throughout the hair, here's pretty much how the wig came out. I did let it sit for a few hours and then I did go ahead and rinse the wig. So here's how the wig came out rinsed. So afterwards I did also let it air dry. This wig was done for a client, so I was not able to style it, but here you do have your cinnamon brown wig.